Shivaji, the legendary Maratha ruler, was born on February 1627. He was the founder of the Maratha Empire, an empire that spread its wings across the breadth of what is now called India. Shivaji was the main driving force behind uniting the Marathas against the Muslim rule in India. There are many stories attributed to Shivaji. The Maratha Empire he set up enjoyed its heydays during his times. Spanning a period of over 30 years, the Maratha Empire stretched from the west coast, from the north of Goa to as far as the Punjab in the north. What makes his empires all the more significant was that it was established right under the noses of the Mughals. Aurangzeb being the ruler during that time, he was respectfully called as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shinwari Hill Fort, birthplace of Shivaji, is near Junner town, about 85 km north from Pune. Situated on a 300 meters high isolated hill, the fort is triangular in shape. The wide base of the fort is toward the south and the narrow point is toward the north. The ascending path to the fort is defended by 7 gates, the 5th one being armed with anti-elephant spikes. The fort has several rock-hewn crystals and ponds, of which 2 large ones are known as Ganga and Jamuna. Today there are only a few structural remaining in the fort. At one end there is a run stable and at the other end a mosque of the Mughal period. The house where Shivaji was born in February 1638 has been recently restored and a temple with statue of Shivaji and Jijabai called Shiv Kunja. Raigad was Shivaji capital, the hill fort where he was born and where he died. Strategically situated on an irregular wedge shape, detached from the main body of Sahyadri mountain by a deep valley and inaccessible from three sides. Raigad is 210 km south of Mumbai and 27 km north of Mahad. The fort, 5.12 square foot kilometer hilltop plant, has 3 main points: Hirkani in the west, Takmak in the north, and Bhavani in the east. The Jagdishwar temple in an enclosure and the Samadhi of Shivaji, and also that of his favorite frog, Vagh. Pratapgarh, a very strong hill fort built by Shivaji, is 24 km west of Mahabaleshwar and about 145 km south of Pune. Before Shivaji, the hill known as Dhorapya. The upper fort is built across the northern and western face of the hill, measuring about 180 square foot meters. The lower fort is built on the southern and the eastern terrace with walls and strong bastions at corners on projecting spurs. Apart from the monuments, there is on the eastern portion of the lower fort the temple of Bhavani. Balapur, a taluka town, is 26 km Akola. The district headquarters situated at the junction of the river Man and Maze. Balapur is a historical town and has a massively built fort, probably the strongest in Vidarbha and Khandesh region of Maharashtra. Balapur from across the river about left main gateway of the Balapur for leading to the inner courtyard. Upper and lower walls are bastions of Balapur fort. The innermost wall are gateway of the Balapur fort.